I'm lounging in a lounge, having big boy discussions. Just making sure my kids ain't gotta resort to hustling. I'm chilling on resorts.
Back at that year, like that million, what was, you don't have to go too in deep, but evaluating, what were you doing to generate, like where did that money come from? Was it just agency? Did you have like side?
It was just agency, rev share. I started getting into Amazon. So it was like agency, rev share, and like Amazon, like I did Amazon, so I had a bunch of inventory and I was selling on Amazon.
Oh, like your brand you were selling on?
Not my brand.
Oh, not your, oh, it's like
it was just like no, not even for a client. It was just like one of those Amazon stores that I had.
Was you drop shipping or was it FBA?
I was drop shipping at first, and I was like, man, fuck this. This is a scam.
Yeah, because the margins aren't
shit.
It's
a big ass scam. So I was like, fuck this, and I did something else, and I did FBA. But it was like that first year, it was just all through agency, rev shares, mostly all of it, agency and rev shares, and this is before I sold. Like I didn't have any really other sources of income.
Wait, hang on. Isn't agency and rev shares the same thing?
Yeah, same thing, but it's like the agency recurring.
You got you.
Retainers and then the rev
share from
shares.
Okay, got you.
So like I think that year the agency did like $400,000 in retainers and then $600,000 in rev shares.
Oh, that's sick.
That's crazy.